Hi, hello, dear friends. Hello, guys. Hi, hi, hi. Look at the sky, guys. Very, very, very blue. Tara po, mamasyal tayo. Yan. Invite ko po kayo mamasyal. This is a free beach place that you could enjoy the sunny summer day. Ayan, guys. Okay. So, guys, this is one of the best visited place here dito sa aming lugar sa Barcelona. The W Hotel, guys, the famous W Hotel here. Ayan. A very nice scenery. Yes, guys, overviewing there in forum side. And nakikita nyo guys kung gaano kadami talaga. So umpisa pala po ito ng first week ng summer, but then nakikita nyo, wow, lovely. And that side, guys, is big mall of Desigual, sports shops, guys. Bueno, a mall. Yes, guys. Okay. So yan, guys, share ko sa inyo. At ito nga palang aking Madam Lola, since I was a caregiver, need to pasyar her. Yan, guys. So she needs a sun, vitamin D. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.